This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace thermostat on Cadillac CTS, only ways. Start by gathering the correct thermostat, gasket, basic tools, and a drain pan, then allow the engine to cool completely. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and disconnect the battery negative terminal. Remove the intake components that obstruct access, loosen the hose clamps, and prepare to unbolt the thermostat housing carefully to avoid spilling coolant. With coolant drained and intake parts removed, loosen the hose clamps and pull the upper radiator hose free from the thermostat housing. Unbolt the housing using the correct sockets, keeping bolts organized for reassembly. Carefully separate the housing from the engine block, noting any remaining coolant and catching it with the drain pan. Remove the old thermostat and gasket, clean the mating surfaces thoroughly, and inspect the housing for cracks or corrosion before installing the new parts. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear, practical car repair videos. On another note, a quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading manuals and repair guides while you wait, making parts lists and procedures easy to reference. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals, then come right back. Now let's get back to the video. Set the new thermostat into the engine in the exact same orientation as the removed unit, ensuring the spring faces the engine block if applicable. Fit a new gasket or apply approved sealant as specified, then reattach the housing and torque bolts evenly to specification. Reconnect the radiator hose and intake components, refill the cooling system with the correct mixture, start the engine, and bleed air until the heater flows and temperature stabilizes. Check for leaks and top off as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.